Case Labang the open racing all in front. He's second by Spiker. Now from the outside picking up his grand total. In between horses, Long Nose Zoke enjoy the flight. While Showmaster is racing on the outside. And going along for the first turn, Grand Total leads Balang, followed by Enjoy the Flight. Showmaster from the outside, third lengths back, Long Nose Zoka. And running by the wheel, 50 Spiker. Around the outside, 6 now, Zexy Eyes. Then followed by Zelling Away. Down the half mile they travel, enjoy the flight, takes the lead by half a length, followed by Showmaster. Running in third, Grand Total, Long Nose coming closer. Inside the last 600, enjoy the flight, being hounded by Showmaster. Long Nose Oak is coming home towards the final turn. Enjoy the flight, Showmaster. Long Nose Oak, not the outsider, but still enjoy the flight, Showmaster. And Long Nose Oak, not the outsider. It's still enjoy the flight, Long Nose Oak, not the outside. It's enjoy the flight, Long Nose Oak, Showmaster, and finally Long Nose Oak. Showmaster, enjoy the flight, Spiker, Sexy Eyes for your Pentapecta.
58647, yun ang ating datingan.